Hi friends, welcome back to another website redesign video. Today we are going to take the website of Toronto Cupcake and we are going to turn it into this website. We will cover why this website has a bad user experience and how we improved it. Let's jump into it. As you guys know, we have started a series of redesigning poorly designed website. So today we will redesign the Toronto Cupcake website. The goal is to improve the overall user experience of the website, and the objectives are design fundamentals, hierarchy, color, type, layout, content, and overall aesthetics. Important web page elements, messaging, visualization, and effective CTAs. Some of our students have submitted their designs. We will also review that one by one, but before reviewing, let's take a look at the current website of Toronto Cupcake and let's see why this is poorly designed website. Starting from the top, it has an ineffective logo. Remember, a good logo has to be appropriate, distinctive, and simple. The logo is somewhat appropriate but not distinctive and simple enough. Anyway, we will be using this logo for now. The website overall is plain and simple with low quality image and no useful information. Remember, design is not only about making things pretty but solving real problems too. So it has a less effective logo, and I don't know why they have repeated 8 times. Hamburger menu on the left is a bad choice on the desktop. I prefer nav bar with the nav items over hamburger menus on the desktop website. Also, there is an irrelevant copy. Coming down to the hero section. Here we see a poor quality product without a main and supporting headline and a clear CTA. The hero section is one of the most important section of a web page because here we establish a unique selling proposition and brand messaging. The user will have no idea that they have to click on this image to go to the product page and order cupcakes. Below the hero section, there should be the list of products, CTAs, social proofs, and footer. We only see plain text that gives us some information about the company and their services, which makes it pretty boring and dull. Now, we will review the design submitted by our students. This design is submitted by our talented student, Yasin Arafat. As you see, the hero section is quite attractive with powerful heading, subheading, and CTA button. I think we can add more items to the menu. Buy box of 1 dozen cups section is fine. The white text on the light pink button has some contrast issues. I prefer darker text over it. Here we have a typo. This section is fine, except I like to add price tags to it. I like the second CTA section, but I think just a phone number is not enough. I may add a CTA button of order now too. The footer section is fine, but I would like to add actual menu items too. Good job, Yasin Arfat. This second design is submitted by another talented student, Gayatri. I like the overall look and feel of this design. The fun and optimistic theme added more life to it. Even though the imagery is not taken from the original site, she did a good job of redesigning the logo, even though it is still can be improved. The navbar is fine. The hero section is quite impressive. The choice of font, heading, and subheading is good. The CTA should be labeled as order now or shop now, I guess. Our special section looks good, but the text on such a background gives me a bit of eye strain, so I suggest using one color or soft gradient. This section is fine too, but I would like to add choose quantity option. The social proof and footer is okay, however there is a tiny margin issue. The third entry is from our hardworking student Gift. Let's start from the hero section. The headlines, subheading, and CTA are fine, however I don't like the green color choice for this brand. Why? We will discuss this topic in the future. The glass morphism effect is not cleverly used. The navbar and logo are placed fine. Overall, I am not in favor of the combination of green and pink color. The drop shadows needs to be more softened, as well as the pink drop shadow for a green element is a bad choice. I would suggest adding a price tag to each card. The rest of the web page is okay, but it can be improved. The graphics for the newsletter section is cool, but it doesn't match the personality of the entire web page. Remember that the web page from top to bottom has to tell the same story. It needs to be consistent. Thank you guys for your submissions. Now let's see how we did it. As I mentioned earlier, our goal is to improve the user experience of the website. For that, our objectives are to improve hierarchy, color, type, layout, content, and overall aesthetics of the website. Also, we decided that the look and feel should be clean, neat, simple, with a touch of fun and optimism. Look at the hero section. Here we have a definite heading, subheading, and a clear CTF order now, or a user has a choice to make a call also. The copy is complemented by a clean and fresh image of the product. When a user visits the website, their eyes stay on the hero image for a while, as it is the first thing to notice. On the very top, there is a notification bar for visitors to inform them about delivery timing and so on. This scroll button will take you to the second section. If someone is looking for cakes for the special events or occasions, they can choose one of the options below, or for the individual cakes, they have to scroll down to the third section. This is our state, by the way. In the third section, individual flavors. Here users have a choice to choose individual flavor from the list. So here's the image of the product, the name of the flavor, and the price. The user can increase or decrease the quantity of the product here and can make order from this button. And the card in our state look like this. For busy individuals who don't have time to choose each cupcakes individually, they can offer a box of a dozen cupcakes instantly. And of course, it is with 15% discount. This is our client section, followed by a call to action for the newsletter. And this is the footer section. The logo is followed by the description of their services again. And we have added a nav links, social media icons, and contact numbers of the company. Okay, that's the end of the second lesson. We have covered a lot in this video. We have redesigned this website and I think it's looked way better, accessible and usable. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Stick around.